Okay, we're at Herriot Bay in Quadra Island.
Stumbling along.
You on camera, you okay? Yeah. Here we go. It's Mirik and Steve. This is, what's the name of this pub?
Herriot Bay Inn.
Herriot Bay Inn.
Oh,
and we just had a nice,
yeah, there's a big
nice beer. Yeah. Beautiful gardens. Look at the view over the dock as well. And we arrived by boat. That's why I've got a life jacket on.
It's not a fashion statement.
Yeah. Now over there is the dock for the Cortez ferry. There's the old dock.
This is poor man's dock. We paid. We're good.
Yeah. This is this is the highway, and that's the poor man's dock. Yeah, look at this.
Some drunk stumbles in the dock. Picks the wrong dock. Oh, whoops.
Yeah. Oh, Rover wouldn't like that one.
Oh, metal.
Yeah.
This is a poor man's bilge pump. That's why I have two.
Yeah. Very nice here. Nice relaxing day. We've been out fishing. I caught a flatfish. Excuse me, at the throw it back, didn't we?
Yeah,
I didn't know I'd caught it. Mirik.
Baby halibut or something.
Yeah, Mirik told me I'd caught one. What was the name of that beer again?
Dark Matter.
Dark Matter. Yeah, just had a couple of beers and really nice.
Matter.
Dark Matter.
London.
Yeah. Yeah. And there's our ride. Arima. Was it Sea Chaser 19?
That's it.
Brand new 90 horsepower Yami on the back. We'll be flying along on that in a minute. Oops. Wow, that beer was strong. Holy crap. The lovely mountains in the distance. That's on the mainland. Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't bring the old camera to put on the end of the fishing line. Taking the wife to market. Got our fishing rod holders.
Only on Quadra, you see.
Yeah, this is idyllic. This is it 1st of June today? Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Is it June 1st? Or?
June 1st,
June
yeah.
1st, yeah. June
1st, 2023. This beautiful sunshine.
International Children's Day, that's why we celebrate.
Oh,
yes.
Yeah.
You know, we have kids. We were kids.
Yeah, we're fathers.
We're getting in touch with our inner child.
And we're at Herriot Bay. I've said that before, on Quadra Island in Canada.
You might have.
Yeah. I put my floaty stick on the camera in case I drop it in the sea.
Yeah.
Oh, the little fish was just jumping there. Do you know the name of the mountains over there at all? That big
No
one?
idea.
Ah.
I think that double one is Mackenzie.
Oh.
That's one you see from Campbell River if you're on Dogwood.
Right. Caution, prop wash. Yeah. You don't have to pay to moor up there?
No, 2 hours usually.
2 hours is free, is it?
Enough time.
Yeah.
Oh, this time of year they don't really pay.
Yeah.
Probably. So I've got to this.
And just over there is Rebecca's Spit. There's a nice cool wind blowing. Here we go, we're at the boat ramp, just a big rock boat ramp. Just over there. And a lovely afternoon out on the water. Nice couple of beers at Rebecca's Spit, or Herriot Bay I should say. And just behind me is Cape Mudge on Quadra Island. Didn't see any wildlife today apart from one flatfish I hooked. So I had a nice day fishing and relaxing. Start of many for the week this summer, I hope. We're just waiting for a couple of boats to move out from the dock. Maybe, I don't know if they're going out or they're just dicking around.
I can go in front of him if he's going out. Or
Yeah. Oh, it is
going
out.
out,
Controls. Yeah, Merrick's just bringing the trailer down now. We're going to get the boat onto the trailer, and that's us for the day. So I've had a lovely day. Get the hat off. And I'll see when we get out again on Saturday.